In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a note as a template in Evernote. Saving a note as a template is a simple way to save time and keep your notes consistent, especially if you find yourself creating the same type of note over and over again, like meeting notes, checklists, or project outlines. Instead of rebuilding the structure from scratch each time, you can turn one well-designed note into a reusable template. First, open Evernote in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, head to the notebook or section where the note you want to use as a template is stored. Take a moment to open that note and review its content. This is important because whatever is in the note right now is exactly what will be saved into the template. So, if you need to tweak headings, adjust formatting, or remove any personal or one-time information, do that before you create the template. When your note looks the way you want it, move your attention to the upper right corner of the note window. There, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for this note. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Save as Template. Click on Save as Template. Evernote may prompt you to give your new template a name. Choose a clear, descriptive name that will help you recognize it later, such as Weekly Meeting Notes, Client Intake Form, or Content Planning Template. A good name will make it much easier to find and reuse the template in the future. Once you confirm, Evernote saves the current structure and content of that note as a template in your account. From now on, whenever you create a new note, you'll be able to browse your templates and apply this one, instantly recreating the same layout and formatting without having to copy and paste. A quick tip: before saving, try to keep your note as generic as possible. Remove specific dates, private details, or anything sensitive, and replace them with placeholders